Hello, today we would like to show how you can make the Spotify account. So first of all, you want to either open up the Spotify website or download the Spotify application. Both at the website and at the application you'll have the sign up free button or should I say option that you want to tap on. Here, enter your email address, whatever it is. Next tap on the next button, create the password that you would like to use. Choose the date of birth of yours. Choose your gender, so either female, male, or non-binary. If you want, you can enter your name. Here, you gotta agree to Spotify terms of use, and there are a few optional things that you can skip. Therefore, the first one being the please send me news and offers from Spotify, and the second one is share my registration data with Spotify's content providers for marketing purposes. After which, confirm the account creation. And in here you can start setting up your account by choosing your music preferences, choosing the artist that you are a fan of. The same goes for podcasts. Already, I've for some reason just gotten my internet off, but it will return in a few seconds, so I'll just wait. Alrighty, now we can choose the podcast that you would like to mark as the ones that we are a fan of, and start listening the songs on Spotify just like so. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.